Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Hello helper and friend, today we are going to learn about the formatting in Google Docs. So friend, keep watching and stay tuned with me. You will learn very new thing. So friend, this is my Google Doc page and here you can simply type this URL and your Google Doc will open. And here you can also type docs.google.com, then your dashboard will open like this, docs.google.com. so your dashboard will open like right. So friend, here I'm going to show you the formatting thing, so you will get the perfect idea about what is formatting and how to use it in your Google Docs. So friend, here we are going to simply create one template, so I will give you the perfect idea about the formatting, right? So here you can see this is my sample template is created into here, and right now I'm going to show you the formatting thing. So here you can see the basic formatting panel. So what you can do over here, for example, here you can see this is the bold, you can see this is enabled right now, and also you can change the font color. So for example, if you want to change it, then what you will do, first of all we are going to change color, so you will get the perfect idea about it. So whenever I change the color, then you can see like this. If you want to add or remove bold, then what you will do, simply click over here, so this will gone, right? If you want to do bold, you can use simply from your keyboard Control B or Command B from your Mac, so you will get this bold option. If you want to increase or decrease your font, then what you will do, here you can simply click the minus icon. So what happened, your font will decrease, and here whenever you click here with the plus icon, so your font will increase. Okay, so you can do very easily. For example, if you want to increase or decrease particular character, for example, I want to do that. So friend, here you can see this particular character, you can do bold, italic, underline, all the things you can do. For example, if I want to add italic like that, so here you can see the italic thing you can particular apply on the particular alphabet, right? If you want to decrease the font, then you can do very easily. So friend, this is the way to you can easily change font. Right now we are going to change the font. For example, if you want to change the font like this with the character, right? Particular character select, and then you can select the font which you want to add. For example, we are going to change another font, so you will get the perfect idea about it. Okay, so like this you can apply your formatting into your doc. So for example, here I'm going to show you something different. We are going to select this one, and here you can easily apply the heading. For example, you have heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, 4 and other options you can see. If I apply heading 4, then what happened, this style, for example, it is applied underline, and font color you can see with this gray color. If you want to change it, then what you will do, simply click on this color icon and select like blue. If you want to remove the underline, you can simply click over here and you can add bold. This type of heading you can create by yourself. Okay, so this is the way to you can apply bold, italic, underline and change the color. If you want to highlight something into your paragraph, then what you will do, for example, I want to highlight in this section only. So I will select, first of all, you simply move your cursor with your mouse and you can simply click on this highlight color. So which color if you want to add, for example, I am going to add yellow color. So you can see this highlight color is applied. Okay, and here I'm going to show you the another method to customize or apply more and more formatting, right? So if you want to add bold into this, for example, I am going to select this one and click on bold. So this is very highlighting plus bold is applied into this paragraph, right? So this is very important whenever you send this doc with the particular person to highlight something bold, then you can do these things, right? So this is very important. Now I'm going to show you, for example, if you want to align text. So here we are going to get the perfect idea. For example, which text or headline you want to align. So here you can see the left align, right? Left align keyboard shortcut you can use Control Shift L, and Mac PC you can Command Shift L, so that will be moved left. So if you want to do in center, so what you will do, simply click on this align center and keyboard shortcut key is Control plus Shift E. So what happened, your text will come in center. This is the paragraph with the left align. If you want to do center, so this align will change, and here this is the right align, your paragraph will align right, and justify will apply over here. So this is the justify, right? If you want to add spacing thing, so what you will do, for example, so right here you can see the line and paragraph spacing. Simply click here here and you can simply select like double. So what happens, this space will increase, and if you want to decrease this space, simply select this one. So this will be the normal paragraph spacing, right? If you want to remove space before paragraph, so what happens, you can simply select this one, so that will remove, okay, and add space after paragraph. Okay, so you can do that. Here you can see the custom spacing. You can simply select it over here, so you will get this pop-up box. So here you can increase amount with your line spacing. Okay, you simply click over here, so you can see this spacing, right? If you want to remove that part, so simply click on this custom spacing, and here you can apply your own, for example 0.5. so what happens, this will change, spacing will remove. Okay, so this way too you can easily apply and remove spacing in line. Okay, simply click over here, and here I'm going to add default line spacing. Simply click over here. Okay, so this is the default line spacing. You can do by yourself with the custom thing. So now friend, I'm going to show you the check mark list and bullet things and show you the numbering. Okay, so how we can do that? Simply first of all, I'm going to enter the paragraph, so you will get the perfect idea. So here I have 4 paragraph, right, which I want to add with the bullet. You can simply select the paragraph, and here you can see the check mark option. You can also use your keyboard shortcut Control plus Shift plus 9, and also you can use Mac shortcut key Command Shift 9. Okay, you simply click over here, so check mark will showing over here. So you can easily add check mark into your paragraph, right? If you want to add the numbering, then what you will do, simply click on this numbered list. So here you can see one and another thing. So here all the numbers will apply on the paragraph, right? If you want to remove number, you can also apply ABCD things you can do over here. Now I'm going to show you the bullet icon. For example, if you want to add circle bullet icon, then you can simply apply it. If you want to add like this, so this type of bullets you can easily apply into your list or paragraph. So this way too you can easily apply it. Now I'm going to show you the indent thing. Okay, what is indent? So indent will increase and decrease over here, right? So here you can see like this. So this is the indent. If you want to add or remove the indent, so this is the decrease indent and this is the increase indent, right? So you can easily apply it. So this is the way to you can easily apply it. If you want to undo your last changes, you can simply use Ctrl Z, so that will be done, or you can simply click over here, so your changes will automatically change. Okay, this is the pen format. For example, if you apply this pen format over here, you can simply select this one and you can do that. So here you can see also the zoom part. For example, if you want to add the fit format, so you can see all the fonts are fit with this screen, and here you can also add 50%. So you can see this page is showing in 50% zoom. Here simply select the 100% zoom, so this will show like this. You can simply click on this fit icon, so you will get the perfect idea about it, all the fonts and all the things you can. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can easily use formatting in Google Docs. So friend, I hope you learned something new. If you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video and learn something new. Stay tuned.